Hey, welcome back to the channel for another video. So the DJI Mini 4 Pro, it's been over a year since its release with rumors of a DJI Mini 5 Pro. But how much further can DJI's technology go? There has to be a ceiling at some point, right? So where does it go from here? How much more do you think that DJI can cram into something literally the size of a protein bar? We've got 4K 60, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, crazy good battery life, and a controller that finally doesn't make you feel like you're piloting a toy from the discount bin. But what's next? Are we gonna get 6K, 8K? Will it make my morning coffee? I mean, that's the kind of innovation that I need in my life. So, resolution. We're currently rocking 4K 60 frames per second, which is more than enough for the average pilot, even for those of us that fly commercially. But 6K or 8K sounds pretty fancy, right? I mean, that's a lot of pixels. Except that most people are still watching YouTube in 1080p while standing in line at a gas station. The real question isn't can DJI put 6K or 8K in the next version? The question is, why would they? Battery life immediately takes a hit. File sizes get stupid large. And let's be real, most of us don't need that much detail in our epic sunset over the lake shots. So what about obstacle avoidance? Well, the obstacle avoidance on the Mini 4 Pro is already pretty nuts. I mean, we have omnidirectional sensors that basically make this thing uncrashable. Well, unless you're the guy that somehow finds a way to fly straight into a tree. Could it get better? Maybe. I mean, will it ever be able to, avoid power lines, birds, or rogue frisbees? Not likely. But we're getting dangerously close to a future where your drone just refuses to let you do dumb things. Currently, the DJI Mini 4 Pro gets around 34 to 45 minutes of flight time, depending on which battery you're using, which is pretty insane considering the battery weighs less than a deck of cards. Could we get more? Well, sure, if DJI figures out some sci-fi level battery tech, then we may see an hour of flight time, but for now, just buy more batteries. The Mini 4 Pro is already a tiny powerhouse. Any upgrades from here are going to be incremental, maybe sharper sensors, better low light, and maybe better zoom. Will we see a Mini 5 Pro? Most likely. Will it change the game? Maybe. But until then, just enjoy what we have. Let me know in the comments what you think. Has DJI hit the ceiling when it comes to the mini series of drones? Or is there still a lot they could do? As always, smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and click the bell to be notified of future videos. Also visit my website, jeff-gresham.com, to pick up my Lightroom presets pack that features 13 presets that I designed for all my photo and drone projects. And until next time, get out and shoot, and I'll see you soon.